We must figure out how to get students better thinking through our content. So the emphasis is on reasoning, and it's on improving reasoning and identifying best reasoning within our disciplines. So we have 3 logics that are going to need to interact. We have the logic of student thinking. We have the logic of the content. And we have the logic of your thinking or the instructional design, the connectors between student thinking and the content you want the students to internalize. So we know that we've got to reach the student. We know we have the content we're trying to teach. And there we must remind ourselves the content that I want to teach my students is far more than they are capable of learning. So what is the content I'm actually going to try to get them to connect with? What are those basic fundamental moves we can ask students to engage in to get them thinking through the content? So we have the content, we have student thinking, and then we have the logic of the course design. Ideally, you're designing the course so that you don't have to figure out what the student is thinking, because you can see and hear exactly what the student is thinking. For example, students come to class with a paper, then students are now working together in pairs, giving each other feedback on their papers. The model here is not putting the information in the student, which is impossible. It is having them take a product of their reasoning, having them share that, and having them get feedback on it with a focus on intellectual standards. To what degree is this paper clear? To what degree are these examples accurate or logical? Or is the explanation accurate? To what degree is this student thinking deeply about this topic? To what degree has the person thought broadly about this issue with multiple viewpoints that are relevant to it, and so forth? We are asking at the back of our mind, how do we bring critical thinking to the foundations of what we're doing? What are the instructional design strategies that we need to reach our students with? John Henry Newman said, in the classroom, do a few things well, not many things badly.